As my man love gardening, she did me a favor to buy this one as I heard that AliExpress is offering best deals. I grabbed this opportunity to save guys. There's some surprises awaits and massive discounts every time we place an order in AliExpress. Lots of categories that you can explore guys. Hurry, visit AliExpress now and avail this promo. Just download AliExpress now and Play Store or any downloading platform and enjoy AliExpress finest deals. To make it easy for you guys, I will drop the promo code link in the description ID below. This is the item guys. It's a flower pots for plants, a prosperity path that crafted from high quality plastic. These pots are built to last at sturdy construction, ensure they can withstand the element, providing the reliable have for you plants. With its generous size, it can offer ample space for a variety of plants from succulent to herbs, perfect for easy gardener out there. Whether you're gardening novice or a seasoned pro, this pet's one's perfect for nurturing your green town. It will really provide guys a stable environment for your plants to thrive, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking for create a lush and green sanctuary. This item is super amazing, good quality, product is in very affordable price, perfect for indoor and outdoor or for you are doing a do your garden project because it's designed to withstand the elements while enhancing the beauty of any space. Bring your gardening vision to life with its spacious, easy to handle pads. Transform your space with this elegance and functional. In addition, guys, these items provide the mobility, control over soil conditions, space-saving benefits, and protection from pest and weather. Aids allow for decorative arrangement, making gardening accessible for those with limited space or mobility challenges and unable to gardeners to grow plants that are not native or their climate. Order now guys on AliExpress and let your plants thrive in. Whether you're an indoor plants enthusiast or love creating a beautiful outdoor garden, there's a versatile and durable pots that's perfect for you with a sleek minimalist look while providing a sturdy home for your plants. Thanks for tuning in guys. God bless everyone. Adios.